Amazon just made a huge change, and if you are not ready to label your own products, your inventory could get rejected at the warehouse. This next Helium 10 feature solves that instantly by letting you create, customize, and print your own barcodes in seconds. No designer, no expensive software, no waiting on your factory, no problem. Or something like that if you know the song reference. This year, Amazon decided it's not going to be labeling products anymore. That means you have to put your own barcode labels on yourself or your factory. And a lot of wholesale sellers used to get a pallet of stuff and just send it in directly to Amazon and say, hey, let me pay them 50 or 60 cents each to put a barcode on. And sadly, you can't do that anymore. You've got to figure out how to barcode your products before they get to Amazon starting January. So you have a little bit of time to get it figured out. Now, I believe neither Bradley nor Carrie nor I have ever asked Amazon to barcode our products because that can be a bit of a waste of money. Why pay 60 cents when you can have your factory do it or get it done yourself? I know in Bradley's case, he has a thermal label printer at his, and for his first orders, he doesn't even have the barcode on the product because he likes to use the Maldives honeymoon launch strategy. If you don't know what that is, make sure you go check out the Serious Sellers podcast. We have plenty of episodes about it, but this is where he doesn't really create the listing until it's ready to sell. For the subsequent orders that he does, they all have barcodes from his factory, or in your case, maybe a 3PL if you don't have a warehouse at yours. Regardless, if you are trying to design a barcode sticker for your factory to apply during production, or you just want to use your own unique custom thermal version that you can print yourself, there are thermal printers that cost about $150 from, guess where? Amazon, you guessed it. And Helium 10 also has a tool for that. You are limited with the ones that Amazon gives you. They usually come in this format of a full sheet of paper or Avery labels, but Helium 10 has a tool where you can just design those yourself based on the FNSKU, and it's inside of the tool called Portals. So just go over to Portals, and then we're going to want to navigate over to the barcode labels tool. Here's an example. Last week, we had one made for an egg holder. We created a custom name, added the FNSKUs, and then generated the barcode. We had it printed directly on a thermal printer, and within 30 seconds, we had 100 labels fully printed. Sometimes you might want to go further and create more professional barcodes with logos or product details. You can do all that right within Helium 10, and the system will pull your FNSKUs, generate the barcode, and let you add branding, exporting it as a ready to send PDF file. We've done exactly that before too. For the coffin shelf, you can send that PDF straight to your factory and say, hey, use this barcode for the next production run. You don't need to hire an agency or a designer to do this. You can create barcodes instantly inside of Helium 10 Portals and be completely compliant with Amazon's new labeling requirements. Go try this, and I will see you in the next video.